Hello. These days tomato chutneys are getting too much of viral. So I decided to jump into the train but with the Odia twist. So I am making today tomato chutney in Odia style, which we Odias love as a side dish of our pakhala bhata. Since summer is approaching, I think this is going to be a good warm up for us. We are going to roast the tomatoes over gas. For that, I am massaging mustard oil to the tomato skin. Directly put it over the flame. Roasting in life might not sound that good, but trust me, roasting these tomatoes over gas as hard as possible will give you the best results possible. Well, don't try this. I'm not superwoman, but the thing is that the flame was not that heat at that time. So I adjusted it accordingly. With help of a fork, I twisted and roasted all sides equally. Now it's time to roast some garlic and some green chillies. I used a chutney to roast it. Now it's time to peel off the burnt skins. Peel it well and wash it properly. Now it's time for the end game. To bring all the fantastic flavors together, use your hands to mash it all and mix it well. Remember, apna haath Jagannath. And trust me, no Odia ever used any instruments other than their hand to make this chutney. Add salt to your taste. Add roughly chopped coriander and mash them well as well. Some chopped onion. Even after chopping them, I'm trying to mash them all. It's heavy, There goes some raw mustard oil. This will give the desired pungent smell to the chutney. And now comes the crunchy character Urad ki badi. So fry it and crush it in a grinder. Don't make it too fine. After crushing it, add to the chutney and give it a good mix. And we're almost done. Mix it well and enjoy it with pakhala or any of your rice. And I think I have made justice to the chutney train. What do you think? Let me know in the comment box.